Good morning, everyone. Hope you all had a good. Damn, this thing just like sways like fast. Damn, there has to be a setting to fix that to make it move smoother. But hope you all had a good, safe weekend. And for everybody that's dealing with a cold, hopefully you're staying warm. Well, today's just want to do first of a weekly updates, what's going on in the shop. As you can see behind me, we have a Bronco that we are putting back together. You can watch everything on it on our live feed. We could do a quick little walk around here of it. We put our Kevlar coating on it with our seal coat. It is going to be at our Starbird show this year. Showing it off. Lighting in here is terrible. Yes, I have to admit. Working on that too. But you guys can watch a full assembly of this on our Facebook page live feed. We every day broadcast live on our Facebook live feed what's going on in the shop. You guys could jump in, say hello, make a comment if you like. We are also checking out merchandise now with the shop logo. No cheap stuff here. This is actually die cast aluminum right there. And then we got some shirts. Logo on the front. Don't know if you can see anything on the back. Just playing around with some different designs and setups for that. But with today, I want to do an unboxing. Never done one before. So let's see what we got here in the mail today. All right, so the guys over at Black Widow, yeah, it's just calling Black Widow for that. Don't remember exactly what the rest of their name was, but they reached out to me a couple weeks ago about some drill bits, cut off wheels, and wanted me to give it a try here in the shop. So let's see what they sent me. Oh, well, right off the top, we have some calendars, swimsuit, and hot rods. Black Widow product information catalogs. Drill bit says it looks like they carry a little bit of everything. Mag drills. Look. Yeah, looks like every basic thing for a shop. Don't know about their tools. Have not messed around with any of their tools yet. I have to admit, I'm actually enjoying Icon for tools. Free V-beam flashlight. Packaging. Wow, they sent me some cut-off disc to try and a Sawzall blade. And let's see what else we have here. Tough Touch with pumice. Hand cleaner. All right, have to give that a try. And let's see, we got sorted size drill bits there. Electrical connectors. Looks like abrasive wheel. Some more single-use drill bits. A business card magnet. I guess they don't want you to ever forget. But the biggest thing they reached out for me is to give these guys out a try. They look pretty good. Nice clean edges. Don't know why that particular one's in there upside down versus all the others. All the way down to this little guy. I don't know if you guys can see that there on the camera. There we go. So I'll have to do a video, see how well these work. Yeah, why not? We could just add to this video. Sounds even better. But that's everything in that box. Let's get some material up here and try to out their drill bits. All right, we have some pretty thick, what is that, probably 3/16. All right, we got everything set up here ready to go. We have ourselves some 3/8, some heavy stuff here, and we got some thin lightweight stuff. You know, why not go to one extreme to the next? So let's see how well the drill bits work. Yeah, everything I do, no matter what drilling wise, I always use a little bit of cutting oil, cutting wax. No problem. Of course, that's thin stuff. But now let's see how it does on the really thick stuff here. It seems like she's going through it, no problem. Yeah, man, I actually cut through that with ease. Nice clean exit. Well, so far I have to say I'm impressed with these. And let's see up here so you guys see me now. There we go. I have to say I'm actually impressed with these so far. I'll turn around and use them more here in the shop and let everybody else know to give a future update how well they do. I'm curious about the larger ones because this Bronco back here, I got some frame mounts I have to fix for mounting the new bumpers. Check these bumpers out. We got them coated right down there. This thing, whoa, it's all ready to go back together. Like I said, we'll be working on that this week. This Bronco actually should be completely back together, I would say Thursday the latest. So we have a bunch of new seals, new window rubbers to put in. Not looking forward to those window rubbers on these old things. We got some lights to put in. Yeah, just a bunch of brand new parts to put on here. And customer will be able to drive this around and enjoy it and show it off. Thank you for watching our video today. And I hope you guys come around and check out our Facebook Live on our Facebook. Stop in, like it, make a comment. Hell, if you're not following, go ahead and follow. You guys have a good week.